Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Today, I'm taking you on an unforgettable journey through Camden Town, London's vibrant hub where music, culture and markets collide. Ready to dive in? Let's go. First stop, Camden Market. This place is a treasure trove of quirky finds from vintage clothes to unique crafts. And trust me, the food stalls are a must-try. Picture this. Sizzling street food from every corner of the world. Your taste buds will thank you. Next, let's talk music. Camden is a legendary spot for live music. Venues like the Roundhouse and Electric Ballroom have seen some epic performances. If you're a music lover, this is your paradise. Now for the hidden gems. Ever heard of Regent's Canal? It's a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle. Grab a coffee and take a stroll along the water, pure bliss. Wondering when to visit? Weekends are buzzing with energy, but weekdays offer a more relaxed vibe. Either way, Camden never disappoints. And for my budget-conscious friends, Camden's got you covered. From affordable eats to free street performances, there's plenty to enjoy without breaking the bank. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and get ready to uncover the magic of Camden Town. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your Camden experiences in the comments below. See you in the next adventure.